Hi, and welcome to North Property Group's YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about how to manage your property portfolio. How a property is managed ensures that it can stay profitable, accrue capital, and doesn't lose out on any income. Here are a few tips on how to manage your property portfolio. Number 1, keep track of finances. The key to being a good investor is to make sure that you meticulously track all of your finances and expenditures, including incoming and outgoing. One of this is to make sure that the rent is being paid consistently and on time. You should also be on top of filing taxes and anything else. Number 2, prepare for emergencies. Occasionally, things do go wrong and you need to be prepared for them. This can include anything from broken boilers and faulty appliances to water leaks to your tenants forgetting their keys and needing replacements. You need to know who to call in emergencies and what you need to do and where your rights lie. Number 3, know the law. Owning a property and renting it out comes with a lot of strict rules and regulations that you need to know about. These also tend to differ depending on whether the property is a short-term or long-term let. Landlords should ensure that the property is safe and habitable, it has no black mould or faulty appliances, and it should also come with an energy performance certificate. There are also certain rules on a tenant's deposit, when you should hold on to it, when you should be able to deduct it, and how you should store it while the tenant is in the property. Number 4, find the right tenants. Landlords should look for tenants who are going to treat the property with care. You want to make sure that you get the right tenants for the right property, as it reduces the risk of damage to the property and missed rent. One of the ways that the landlord can find good tenants is to be overly involved in the hiring process. This can mean advertising, performing background checks, and doing regular updates and checks on the property to make sure everything is okay. Number 5, tenancy agreement and inventory. A tenancy agreement is the written document between the tenant and the landlord, ensuring that both parties act appropriately and fulfill both sides of the bargain. The inventory should be completed before and after the tenancy, making sure that there is no damage and nothing is missing. Stay on top of maintenance. Anyone who owns a property knows that things tend to go wrong quite a lot. While these problems are annoying and costly, staying on top of maintenance as and when an issue arises means that these problems are less likely to get bigger in the long run. Landlords and investors should respond to maintenance requests as soon as possible. This is to make sure that tenants stay happy and safe in their homes. An example of this would be water leaks. If left untreated, this can lead to rot, causing further problems. Number 7, keep tenants happy. It might seem like a small thing, but you want your tenants to stay in the property for a long time. To keep them happy, make sure you respond to maintenance and repair requests, furnish the property to a high standard, and maybe acquiesce some of the smaller requests that they might have. And number 8, one of the best ways that you can manage your property is to choose a property investment firm. These property companies can help you manage the entire property from purchase to management to the end of its life cycle. They can take over the lettings, they can instigate maintenance and repairs, and they can deal with the changeover of tenants. At North Property Group, not only can we help you find the best deals, we can also help you manage your properties. Call us today to book your free consultation to help you start your investment journey.